Hi Capricorn, and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of December is going to be for you, and we are also going to talk about what is going to be the energy of 2021 for you. For the month of December, it is the month of a renewal for you. And why I am saying the month of renewal? Because in your cards, I see the Death card, I see the Sun card, I see the Moon card, I see the Devil card, and Devil is the card of your own energy. Devil is the card of Capricorn, and that is why by the end of the month you're going to step into your own energy, provided you don't get into thinking too much, you don't get into negativity, you don't get into depressive negative thoughts, and you actually deal with the devil inside you, you deal with the negativity inside you, deal with the limitations inside you. If you do that, you're going to move towards a lot of growth, so money, stability, independence coming into your life. Along with that, you're going to be in a situation where you will actually be listening to your heart, you're connecting with your intuition, and that's actually a very good state to be in. This is the month of victory, undoubtedly, so that's going to come into your life. And this month you're going to be you need to be very careful about your communications. The words you say are going to have very major impact, and that is why ensure that you don't say any words which are hurtful to anybody else. Let's just start with your health. From your health perspective, one, I would want you to take care of your heart health, because heart has like directly come across. So I want to take you to take care of your heart health. Second, any kind of allergies, any kind of viruses. So take care of yourself from COVID situation and any kind of allergies if you have. That's second thing that you need to take care of. Third, hormonal health. Take care of your hormonal health. If you're taking any medications, if you have any problem, just ensure that you're regular in that. Also, if there is any problem or any trouble or any health issue that kind of comes up this month, it is going to come up because there is Death card. The renewal has to happen, and this issue has to come like kind of end forever, and this will end forever only when you actually address it. So that is why any health issue comes this month, please address it. It is going to be very important. For your mental health, I would say that emotions are going to be playing very important role this month, and the more practical you are, the more clear you are on where you're going, the more clear you are on what you're doing, and also the less you are into like procrastination, or the less you are into thinking of the past, resentments, the less you are into that zone, and the more you are into that peaceful zone, the better it is going to be for your mental health. And that is why I would say to this month, ensure that you're not getting into any negative depressive thoughts. If you get into, please ask the help of a counselor and deal with your inner devil. That's something that I would want to like also use like as a tagline for you, and that's like the message of the month for you. If we talk about your wealth or money, I don't see a trouble with wealth, because there is Queen of Pentacles, there's King of Pentacles, there is Nine of Pentacles, there is Eight of Pentacles, and then there is Sun card. So I don't really see a trouble with money. Now the only thing is that two possibilities. One, there is a money that you're expecting from somewhere, and there can be a little delay in that money coming. Now the delay is because you need to deal with something before that money comes to you, and the delay is probably because you are ready to invest it in somewhere where it is not going to give you results, and that's why that delay is there. So don't get disheartened by that delay. Believe that it is happening for a reason, and there is victory, there is money coming into your life. Definitely that money will come to you, but it is very important that you don't get disheartened with that delay. Second, if you want to invest your money, like the money is flowing, you want to invest it. One, don't invest it emotionally. Second, try to wait for a while before you invest it, like maybe invest in the beginning of the month, or don't invest until the end of the month. And don't invest into anything where you think that, you know, where you kind of feel that emotionally you feel like somebody is telling you to invest and that's why you're investing. Don't go for that. Second, if there is kind of something that you've invested somewhere and you were expecting a result, and you suddenly see that money is going down, and you feel that, oh, you know, it's a wrong investment, it's going down, should I take it out or not? No, not until the end of the month, because it looks like by end of the month you'll again see a traction in that, and it will go upwards. So money wise, there shouldn't be any problem as such. Love, relationships. Relationship wise, two things. One, if you are into a new relationship, ensure that your words are not harsh, ensure that you're dealing with your insecurities, and ensure that you are coming across as nurturing and caring. If you are into a relationship which is not working out well for you, it is a burden on your heart, that relationship is not something that you want to get into or be into, this is the month where you can actually take a decision and move out of that relationship. So there's death card, there's a possibility of you ending that relationship. There is 3 of swords, and then there is victory, so people will support you and you'll be able to come out of that relationship. Third, this month I would want you to kind of work on your emotional health. It is very important for you to work on your emotional self, your emotional health. Be in connection with yourself, be in connection with what you want to achieve in life, where you want to move in life, what you want to do in life. Be more focused on that than relationships. That's going to be because there is a renewal energy, like there is end and beginning. That is why it is more important to be focused on yourself. And also, if there is any trouble that you face temporarily in your relationships, don't make it a make and a break situation. This month, just keep calm. Let those energies pass by, and also think that what is it inside you that is kind of attracting that thing in your life, and once you deal with it, you will see that situation completely changing for you. If we talk about baby birth, hormones is kind of important, and then there is a card of rebirth. So beginning of the month is good for the baby birth, and then towards I would say that if you want to try for a baby in the beginning of the month. Towards the end of the month there could be some delay in it, because there's devil, but like I said, devil is your own energy, so that is why there's a possibility where you actually figure out what the limitations are, where the problems are, and you address those. For your job and career, new opportunities, undoubtedly they are there, because there's money flow into your life. There are new opportunities that are coming across, and there could be an opportunity coming across that you've been waiting for. So you've been waiting for something to happen that will change your life completely, and then there is that miracle or that opportunity that comes across. But for that miracle to happen, and for that opportunity to come across, and for that victory to happen for you, what is going to happen is probably there is some ending that is going to happen. So temporarily you might just feel something is shutting down, something is shattering down, something is falling down, or something is ending. So don't go into that zone of getting disheartened, negative thoughts, depression, because that end is actually taking you towards victory, and that is why that end has to happen this month. And that is why if it is a job ending, don't get disheartened, you will get something better. If it is a promotion that you were wanting and you're thinking that it is not coming to you, because you need to work on yourself, and once you do, you will see that happening. So this month, job, career wise, I don't really see a problem in your, even in your business. I kind of see that money that you've given to other people will come back to you this month. But maybe you will kind of feel that, you know, everything is ending, like the cycles are ending, I have to pay it back as well. But that is actually a new beginning, and that is why you have to take it positively. If you take it positively, you will see more flow coming into your life. If we talk about soul path, this month your soul growth is if you take care of your inner devil. Fixing your inner devil or dealing with your inner devil is basically your soul growth this month. And if you do that, and that means that dealing with any kind of addictions you have, dealing with any kind of emotional instabilities that you have, dealing with any kind of restrictions that you have, dealing with any kind of control issues that you have, dealing with any kind of relationship issues that you have. So anything that is negative, anything that you know is within you, anything that you know that you can actually heal and deal with, but you've not been doing that, this is the month where you do that. And once you do that, and especially dealing with your monkey mind, and why I'm saying monkey mind, because there are 2 monkeys I kind of see on your cards, and monkey mind because you know what to do, you know how to move past it, how you know how to deal with it. But when it comes to practically taking a decision, you don't do that. You again put yourself into the same restricted pattern and same controlling pattern. That is what you need to deal with, because your mind kind of pulls you back. So that is what you deal with this month. And if you do, the next month is going to be next year basically is going to be all about intuition, listening to your intuition and moving ahead with that, and that will definitely give you growth. For your health, I will also say towards the end of the month, just take care of yourself from weather related changes. So what is the chakra of the month? Chakra of the month, root chakra, and root chakra is based at the base of spine, and it is the mantra of root chakra is Lam. This chanting is very important for you this month, because I kind of see an uprooting happening for you, and there is a possibility where something, some situation, some place, some some kind of change, which is a big change, which is a major change, is coming into your life in this month. And that is why if you're grounded, you'll be able to deal with that change in a much better way. If we talk about mental exercise of the month, there is the other monkey that I see. It's a stress card, and then there is this monkey here also on the shoulder of this man. So this is basically the card which is saying that whoever or whatever you think that you are in the most control of, because this Joker is kind of doing a lot of tricks and he's doing a lot of things, but he has this leash of this monkey in his hands, and he thinks that this monkey is completely under his control, but this monkey is about to burst the bubble that he's or balloon which he's actually going to step on. And that is why something that you think is totally under control, especially your mind, this month that's going to hurt you the most. And that is why it is very important to let go of stress. Your mind is basically playing tricks with you and putting you in stress. So you can affirm, I let go of all the stress from my life. I know everything is working out in my favor. I allow myself to be easy on myself and others, and I allow myself to delegate the things that all the universe is there supporting me and giving me all the help and support that I need. And this month it is very important, if there are people in your life who you think that they can't do any harm to you and you're blindly trusting them, just think again. The surrender card of the month for you says, surrender to inner peace. Cultivate inner peace on daily basis in quiet meditative movements. Focus on the stillness within and enjoy this inner refuge. Others will feel your good vibes too, and your life will flow more easily. So this is something which is very important for you. And like I'm saying, that this month is not the month where you go negative, where you go into that zone of depression and thinking and all of that. Inner peace is very important, and that has come across in your mental exercise as well. What will happen when you follow these advices, and what are the angel messages? The first message is change your life. It says a sudden revelation that offers freedom. Break free of procrastinations. Embrace the opportunities that change brings. And if you see, there is this person sitting here, there is something happening to the city and it is being demolished, and this person is sitting and is looking at what else can we build up here. So can we big bright structures here? Yes, possible. And that is why something that is ending or falling away is because it wants to give you an opportunity to renew. The second card is the Lovers. It says, make choices from your heart. Deeply emotional commitments, the power of love. And the more you love yourself, the more you express the love to others, the better it is. And like I said, that then you're going to be connected with your heart and intuition well. The last card is Six of Gabriel, which is Six of Wands card, which is here also. It's a victory card. It says, congratulations, you've done a wonderful job. Time to move on to the next project. Awards, scholarships, and promotions. So that way, this is a card which is showing victory again. And that is why I said this is the month which is where you can actually go from death to re-beginning, and you can actually, this is your own energy, the Devil card, so you can actually get control over your inner devil and actually flourish and make things big changes this month. So please go ahead and do that this month. Number of the month for you is going to be number 13 or 4. The color of the month, any shade of red or golden is going to be good for you. If you like the videos, please share them on your social media, have them spread across to other people so that a lot of people can get benefited from it. And there are a lot of videos about positivity, good things, changes that you can make in your life on daily basis to actually make your life better. If you like those videos, watch those videos. If you like them, you can go to the playlists and watch them, and if you like them, please leave the comments, feedback, and share them with everyone that you can. You can just be an angel to somebody and help somebody in the need, or if the person is in the need of listen to or hear something positive or deal with stress, this will help them. So please do that. So what is the energy of 2021? 2021 is the year which very much is dependent upon what you do in this month. And that is why if you deal with your fears, if you deal with your negativity, if you deal with your inner devil, then this whole situation or the whole renewal that is happening in your life, the ending and the beginning, will just seem like a bad dream, and you've woken up and you see the victory, you see the new you see the new life. And that is what you need to start with. And if you do that, this year is going to help you with manifestations. So you will definitely manifest a good life. You'll make choices, you'll travel, you'll move ahead in your life. There's money, there is other things. Manifestation means you can actually manifest anything that you want in your life. there is abundance, there is money flow, there is nurturing, there is growth that is coming across. And along with that, I kind of feel that this year 2021 is going to be the year where you don't have to waste any time in struggling with people or struggling with thoughts. This is the year where you actually move towards your victory, where you move towards more balance, where you move towards more stability. And this is the year where you have to do a lot of work, because this is one of the years which are bringing in changes for you. And that is why and the base of 2021 is this month. That is why just ensure that you go through this renewal this month, so that the next year brings you these changes which are amazing, beautiful, balanced for you. But they are going to go across years for next few years, because there is a power of manifestation, at least for next 2 years, because there's a power of manifestation. If you want to know more than this, you can contact me for your personalized tarot reading through the Facebook link that's provided in the description box or through the comment section. You just have to write, I want my personalized reading. I will share my number and we'll go forward with that. Wish you a very happy birthday, because your birthdays start in the month of December. So wish you a very happy birthday, and also wish you a very, very happy 2021. May this year brings in this renewal for you. You are able to go through this renewal beautifully well. You are able to move to this victory. You are able to get control over your devil and be in your power, and you see this growth and nurturing and intuition and everything rebuilding in your life, and you get a lot of inner peace. I wish all of this for you with the 2021 coming into your life, and I will see you with the next year January predictions. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye bye.